Hello and welcome again at Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel, we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US buy stocks. Today we'll talk about Adamas Pharmaceuticals, ticker name ADMS, traded at Nasdaq. Well, ADMS today, of course, did show a very big move. Unfortunately, it didn't hold, so we have a small candle at the end. But the price action was between 625 till almost 920, and of course, this cannot be just technical, although it was well expected after having this very nice, let's say, upwards move and shoulder formation. So flagging, actually, it was a classical flagging, preparing for further growth, but it was accompanied not only with the technical, but the news. But unfortunately, it didn't hold. So now after hours being traded actually in negative zone, already not that much, but still minus 3.8%. So this is quite significant volatility there. So what was the news? Of course, news was very positive, and you might expect very positive news for such a company. For such a price action for pharmaceutical company. It's of course FDA KISS, so-called. It's Adamas Pharmaceuticals FDA approval for second indication for Corvi as an adjunctive treatment. It's a new product. Of course, it's coming. It's very nice. It's approved. And now the but starts. And but is that the company is only 195 million market capitalization. What does this mean? This means that actually with having this market capitalization, it's not easy to continue further development of this achievement. And what could happen? It's either a possible buyout of the company or a company will need extra operational funds. So after some days of volatility and the further growth, it could be as a risk. Again, it's not given. It could be as a risk. It could be a public offering of stocks to gain some money. And of course, if this is happening, it might decline even further. So this is very important to keep in mind. Also, what is important to keep in mind that overall, before the news, stock was actually quite nicely trading in this channel. So whatever happens, this channel is still there. And of course, it might be, let's say, confirmed again if needed. So this is the channel in which we were trading, R1, R2, and if anything happens, we might return to the channel. So we need to keep this in mind. So how to trade here? Of course, after hours we're in the negative zone. This means that a lot of volatility could be still here tomorrow if no negative news, a kind of offering or something like that comes. So the most advised, the most safe way to trade here, especially given that now you see already as we speak, already minus 3%. So being at 660 at the moment, and that would be the best area to enter. So should we start entering here for volatility, purely volatility game? Again, this is not about trends or long term, just purely volatility scalping. Of course, entry is advised in the size of the current shadow towards the price action of ending price action of yesterday. So it's in this part, in this channel. So it's a current shadow of the current candle, the top of it, and actually where we ended yesterday. So that would be the entry level, and just entry level for scalping. It would be V1, V2 volatility levels. And again here, it's advised you take 15% profit, you just exit. That's the strategy we do at our channel. So maximum 15% on the fast moving charts, 10% on normally moving charts, and then check other opportunities. We post daily many videos. You can always find something interesting. Also, you can check all the videos at our channel that are still fresh, and maybe situation discussed that is just about to happen, so you can play there as well. Should we decline further, should be some offering negative news, then of course you really need to be prepared for some serious average down, and giving the volatility levels, it could be enormous here. And then, of course, there is no difficulty in that sense. You just wait for these very well established levels, and that would be S1, S2. So if price goes down, you just enter again here, S1, S2 levels, with another portion. The portions we will discuss. And should it decline further, but this is absolutely not expected at the moment. Only if really offering comes tomorrow, I don't know, then we really need to be prepared for some more serious action. And of course, then these two levels start to play, and immediately buy at this as free as 4. Again, when we discuss this, some people say, oh, you predict that low price. No, it's not prediction of the price, it's actually hedging of the risks and being averaging down wisely. So that's the strategy to do. Again, moving averages here, of course, are very accelerative, because moving average 20 and 50, as always, by the way, we have them in moving average 200 depicted at our channel. Here on the left, you see their legends being green, blue, and red line correspondingly. So moving average 20, of course, is extremely accelerative. Moving average 50 and 200 as well, their second derivatives are just boosting, and of course it's going up. But you don't need to be a little bit triggered here, because this growth is purely due to volume as well. Of course, it's a price, but also volume, and the volume means that also could be strong some volatility. I don't want to say short selling, because at these levels and these news, it would be at least immediately very hard to short. But if some, let's say, offering comes immediately, then yes. What could happen, another possibility, we could stuck between the upper shadow here. This is also possible. If this is going to happen, especially immediately, then price should go up. We might volatile in this channel inside here. This is also quite classical behavior. If this is happening, then sell somewhere inside. Again, we propose 15%. Yeah, but it's up to you if you want to take longer. This only can happen if we immediately go in this area. It will be visible, then we can stack there, and from the next days we will see maybe the further decline will take place. But anyway, that's the scalping strategy, the quick playing strategy here. Again, since some volatility and more positiveness is expected, so it's advised to play most aggressive. It's 1-2 strategy for buying in, meaning that the funds you would like to play here, you can split in 5 portions, and then actually you buy with 1 portion in the first circle, then you average down if needed with 2 portions, and average down again with 2 portions if needed, according to the entry levels discussed here in the dark circles. This way it will be the best optimization of profit versus loss. And again, as we just said, once you rebound 15% maximum, it's our advice to exit, take the profit. And with this being said, good luck with Adamas Pharmaceuticals. Actually, could be very interesting tomorrow, very volatile, but again, don't be too greedy. If you really decide to enter here playing, please follow the advice, because volatility waves could be enormous, and then it might be very hard psychologically to hold, let's say, to hold your portfolio, to hold your nerves in those volatility markets. So if you like it, if you believe it, follow it. And once you start the game, follow your plan. Don't be distracted. And again, don't keep too long. So good luck with this one. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're first time watching this video. Also, you can follow us at various social medias like Facebook, Instagram. You can always find our free mobile application. Please check in the description to this video. Also called Stocks Advisor for Android devices. With this mobile application, you will always be able to see latest 14 videos uploaded to our channel without need to go directly to YouTube and check it manually. Soon also we will issue an iOS-based application, probably in 1 month, and then actually everyone will be able to use this mobile application for themselves. So with this being said, good luck with Adamas Pharmaceuticals.